Land surveyors' jobs. A civil engineer needs to update land surveying techniques in view of introduction of digital land survey, DLS, equipment, which has replaced the use of conventional instruments like theodolite, auto level and total station. At approved JST Network Franchise Center, we impart short-term training to graduates and undergraduates to learn new skills and become self-employed. To understand the importance of DLS equipment, a demo exercise is given here. In land surveying, to plot three well-identified points A, B, C and D, linear distances AB is equal to 66 meter, BC is equal to 98.12 meter, CD is equal to 80.30 meter and DA is equal to 80 meter, have been observed by DLS equipment. Make use of Dr. Mahajan's soft app, free supply to the users to determine the included angle at A, B, C and D. Adjust the angles for the geometrical condition of the figure and plot the traverse APDA. Compare the activity with use of conventional surveying instruments. From email correspondence it is found you eagerly look forward to online surveyors training at approved JST Network Franchise Center to become self-employed. Please like the video attached. The solution of the problem will be released soon in next video. Thank you.